It's not a diaper, it's not a pad, it's not a brief, it's actually a wrap. The QuickChange Wrap is actually the first of its kind wrap for men and their body part, their anatomy. And what's unique about it is that not only does it prevent infection and reduce skin breakdown, but it also gives you an alternative to have that open airing, which is so popular now with like infection prevention nurses and wound care nurses, where they want that open airing. They want that moisture to be released so there is no breakdown. And our product is mostly for non-ambulatory, bedbound and wheelchair bound. So it actually is best also and benefits the bedside caregiver because there is no rolling or turning or lifting or repositioning. It's all done up front to keep the urine contained, to maintain it from mixing with feces or pulling under the buttocks and breaking that skin down too.